Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time being here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, and also check out some of my other videos. Alright, so everyone is talking about Black Panther. I've watched some gorgeous makeup tutorials inspired by this movie, and even though Black History Month is over, Black Panther isn't going anywhere for a while. So I had to put in my 2 cents on this one because a lot of people keep texting me saying how much I look like Okoye. Now when I saw her picture for the first time, y'all, I was like, girl. So that is exactly who I'm channeling today. This is a very simple look, but I decided to jazz it up just a little bit. This tutorial is dedicated to every bald queen out there, whether you have alopecia like myself or you're bald by choice. This is definitely for you. So I've already begun prepping and priming my eyes, and what I'm doing right now is taking the shade Zulu from the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place and using that as my transition color to get this started.
Yeah, that's right.
Now to begin my smoky eye look, I'm taking the shade Chi from the same palette, blending that over Zulu, just to give it a little more definition.
That's right. I dedicate this song to what you follow me. Yeah. Come on.
For my cut crease, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toast, looking up just a little bit to create that guideline so I'll know where to stop applying my next shade.
Yeah, that's right.
Hey girl, don't know if you got a reason like I do, cause I really got a reason, yes I do, to sing his praise and to sing his love for me. I don't know what I'll ever do without him. I know I really can't survive without him. All the love you show me when you got on the cross for me. You took all my pain away. You wiped all the tears from my face. Give me a reason to smile again. And that's the reason I'm here to stay.
Taking the blue shimmery shade Dahlia from the same palette, I'm going to be applying that where I laid my concealer. Now let me explain quickly why I'm doing my makeup this way. In one of the pictures that was released for the movie, Decay's character Okoye had on blue mascara. Unfortunately, I do not have eyelashes at this time. However, I will be using falsies for this look. I've decided to go with an alternative by doing a blue smoky eye instead. If you have eyelashes, go for it. Whatever spin you want to put to this look, that is up to you. I'm just doing what works for me because I don't have what everyone else has, and that's okay. But if you have alopecia like me or something similar, then you know what I'm talking about. So you just have to work with what you got, right?
I surrender, I surrender to you. With my hands lifted up, Lord, I'm on my knees. I surrender, surrender to me. With my heart, I surrender, I surrender, I surrender to you. Take me and use me for your glory. I surrender to you. With my heart, I surrender, I surrender, I surrender to you. Lord, I give myself away. I surrender to you.
Taking a break from the eyes right now, I'm going to begin priming my face using the new Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. It feels incredible, has a moisturizer built inside, and I'm also going to begin color correcting as well using my LA Girl Pro Conceal Color Corrector. Now here is an alternative that I had to come up with at the last minute. I ran out of foundation and unfortunately I can't get my bottle until the end of this week. So what I went ahead and did was mix in one of my LA Girl concealers in the shade Espresso with my color corrector. I will be adding more color back to my face so that way I'll have an even payout. I'm sorry guys, I know the struggle is real. Y'all hang in there with me. To set my eyes, I'm going to take the RCMA No Color Translucent Powder. I've heard a lot of great things about this product, so I cannot wait to use this in more of my videos. And please excuse the bags underneath my eyes. I've had a very long week. Please don't judge me. Since Okoye has natural looking cheeks, I'm going to be going in with my Kat Von D two-tone blush in the shade Hansel. I'm going to be taking that left side and just kind of giving my cheeks a little pop of color. Okoye has burgundy lips, so what I'm going to be doing is taking my NYX lip liner in the shade Dark Soul. It's a really pretty wine color. I picked it up at Ulta this weekend, so I'm also going to be blending out my lips just a little bit to help give it that ombre effect for the next color that I'm going to apply. So I've decided to be daring and try a new lipstick. This is the new LA Girl Metal Liquid lipstick in the shade Prism. I'll be honest with you, I don't like the finish of it. I can't stand anything matte. However, the color is beautiful and it complemented what I was doing, so it's okay, I guess. It's Falsies time. I picked up my favorite brand of eyelashes from Ulta and they were on clearance for $3. A 3-pack of lashes for $3, decent. Now I'm just smoking out the bottom part of my eyes and touching up any colors that may have faded along the way. Now ladies, here's where you can get creative, and this step is 100% optional. Do this at your own discretion. I've decided to be daring once again and try carving out some of the shapes that Okoye has on her head. I'm not the best drawer, so please do not judge me. I was going to get some special effects paint from NYX, but it was not going to come in the mail in time, so I went ahead with an alternative. I picked up the NYX illuminating stick in the shade Red, and I got this from Ulta as well. The eyeliner that I'm using right now is the liquid liner from Coastal Scents. And as you can see, I've already messed up on my design, so I'm just cleaning that up with some foundation. This design may not be as complex as what you see in other pictures, but I tried to keep it as simple as possible, so I'm pretty sure you guys get the gist of what I'm doing. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I had the most difficult time finishing this design, so I had to go off camera to correct everything. And to complete this look, I'm using my Ofra Makeup Setting Spray. Just like that, it's a wrap. Comment down below, tell me what you all think. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Also give me a thumbs up for this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Thanks again for tuning in, guys. God bless you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Wakanda forever.